Okay, welcome Tex. Today we've got a treat for you. We have some video cards, brand new, still sealed in the packaging from 2009, 2010, and 2012. So we've got an HD 5870, we've got an HD 6970, we've got the R7950 3 gig, and we've got a Zotac GTS 450. None of these have been out of the package, so you're going to see what the graphics cards actually came with in 2009, 10, and 12. And so let's get into it. Okay, so here we've got the Radeon HD 5870. This is the card that was released in 2009. Has an 850 megahertz core speed, 1 gig of GDDR5, 256-bit. Card weighs 1.4 kilograms. This is the HIS model. Okay, so here we have, alright, we've got Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, peel off your product key. So it comes with a Crossfire bridge. HIS includes a little user installation guide manual pamphlet thing. Comes with a driver disc. We have a dual 4-pin Molex to 6-pin PCI Express. And another one. Comes with a DVI adapter. And here she is. Okay, so it's the Call of Duty Modern Warfare edition, I guess. Okay, so here it is. We've got dual 6-pin PCI Express on the rear, obviously, for the included adapters. If your power supply didn't have it. We've got dual DVI, we've got an HDMI port, and a display port as well. So that's the HIS Radeon HD 5870. Okay, and here we have the Zotac GeForce GTS 450. This card came out in 2010. It has 810 megahertz core clock, 1 gig of GDDR5. Okay, as you can see, these cards have never been opened before. This is a little bit of a lower model, so I don't expect it to come with very much. Got one 6-pin to 4-pin Molex. We got one DVI adapter. Oh wow, we've got a sticker. I love getting stickers. So we do have a manual, Zotac Boost. Try Zotac accelerated software and a graphics manual as well. How to install a video card into your computer. So that's mine. Okay, well, it doesn't weigh very much. Oh wow, she looks nice. Nice and new, guys. So there's the 1.6-pin PCI Express. There's a little cheap dank cooler that you see on all those Wish.com cards, because this is actually what they're sending you for 1050 Ti on Wish.com. Exact same card, exact same cooler. If you look at some of those videos on about the Wish scam cards, but this is truly, in fact, a Zotac card. Zotac part number, 1 gig, 128-bit GDDR5. So this is the shittier card of the cards we have today. It also has dual DVI, 1 HDMI, and a display port, so it is usable today. Windows 10 does have drivers and support for it. And there's the GTS 450. Okay, so here we have the HD 6970. This card was also released in 2010. This is an XFX model. Has a core clock of 850 megahertz. This is a 2 gig card. And we've got an XFX Play Hard, Do Not Disturb on Gaming door knob thing holder. We've got a brochure on their power supplies. We've got our driver's disc. No sticker. Install manual, quick install guide. Oh, we got one Crossfire bridge. No additional adapters at this point. they're in here, no. Okay, so this card didn't come with any additional adapters. Okay, and here she is, guys. Here's a 6-pin, 8-pin PCI Express. So we've got a dual mini DVI, I believe that is, or dual mini display port, HDMI and dual DVI. Well, look at that. Let's do the peel. Wow, that's a nice card. We're going to be benchmarking all these cards on various benchmarks, so we're going to be using them. They won't be new anymore anyway, so I'm going to peel stuff like this off. And that's the HD 6970. Okay, and here's the R7950 Black Edition. Overclocked. This isn't going to open nicely. And this card's made by XFX as well. Okay, and this card is 3 gig with 384-bit GDDR5. Has a core clock of 900 megahertz, 1,792 steam processors. It also comes with the power supply brochure, other great XFX products brochure, XFX limited warranty guide. I doubt that's in order. Install manuals. We did get another door knob hanger. And then here's our install disc. Again, no sticker. Oh, we got a little bit more in this. So we've got a DVI to HDMI adapter. Wow. Wow. We've got our crossfire cable. What the hell is this? Case badge sticker. Wow, that's mine. That's awesome. Pumped about that one. Okay, and here we go. Back in the day, I actually had a card very similar to this. It was a 7770 though. The cooler wasn't quite as grand. Here she is, XFX Ghost Thermal Technology. So we've got one DVI, one HDMI, and again, dual mini display port. Takes 2 6-pin for PCI Express. And that's a sexy card right there, guys. Wow. That's the Radeon R7950 3 gig. Okay, and that's our video for today, guys. 10-year-old graphics cards, what they came with when they were new. We're going to have another video benchmarking all these cards against each other, and we'll bring that to you very soon. So if you enjoyed the content, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.